Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Ankanash Creations. So this is part 5 and the last video of my Paint Your Own Dot Mandala Painting series. If you have not watched the last 4 videos, please go and watch it. I've explained all the steps in detail so that you can try Dot Mandala Art if you have wanted to try it for a long time. So they are the detailed videos. That's why I have part them in few part videos. So yeah, in this video, we are just going to be talking about varnishing, how to varnish your dot mandal artworks. Let's get started.
So first I'll show you how to varnish this small painting which we created in this video series. I'll use a soft bristle brush to remove all the dust or any dust particles which could be there on painting while it is drying, and then I use this Liquitex gloss varnish. I shake up the bottle and then I take out the varnish on some other surface or palette, and I use another brush, clean brush, to apply varnish evenly all over my painting. I don't like to apply or pour varnish directly on top of the painting because I feel like between the dots it becomes too patchy. Somewhere it is very thick and somewhere it is very thin. So I like to apply it using a brush. After this, I'll keep my painting flat in a clean area for a few days to dry, let the varnish dry properly, and look at the shine it gives. Now I'll show you how to varnish a big painting. So this is a big painting which I recently painted, and I did not varnish it because I wanted to record a video of it. So the first step is same, to remove all the dust with the soft bristle big brush. And for the big paintings, I also like to go on with this lint roller which I get from IKEA. You can use any lint roller. It has a sticky surface to it, but the painting has to dry for at least a week before you do this thing. I let my painting dry for at least a week. So this lint roller catches all the tiny dust particle which is there on the painting. For small paintings, I am okay with the brush, but for big paintings I usually try to use the lint roller before I varnish. And just after doing the lint roller thing on the painting, I quickly apply the varnish because I don't want my painting to sit down again and catch any dust or dust particle. So I quickly apply the varnish. I start with a small area and a clean soft brush to apply varnish here as well. The trick I use is to go area by area and not to do a larger area at once, because with the dots it's easy to miss a spot, and after it dries it looks very weird that one spot is not shiny and the rest of the painting is shiny. So yeah, you can work your way, you will get your own method how to varnish your painting, but this is how I varnish my work.
So that's it for this video series. Next, I'll be coming up with a very interesting video. It's an art haul video because last month I was in India and I got so many art supplies, and every time I post an art haul video, you all guys love it, and I also love filming that. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, and I hope this video series of Paint Your Own Dot Mandala Painting helped you. Let me know in the comments below if it helped you at all, and I can't wait to see your all artworks. If you want to show me your artwork which you created, like your dot mandal artwork or any other work which you created by getting inspired from my videos, you can tag me on Instagram at @Ankanash Creations, and I'll be happy to see your artwork and repost it. Okay, bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.